Introduction. Hi friends, today we will review Samsung Galaxy M31s, which is the latest offering from Samsung India in the M series. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Specifications. Coming to the specifications, the main highlight of Samsung Galaxy M31s is the camera. At the rear we get a quad camera setup, 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor with 123-degree field view, 5 megapixel depth and 5 megapixel macro lens. On the front we have a 32 megapixel punch hole camera. There is a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, also known as Infinity O display. On the front display we get the Corning Gorilla 3 protection. At the rear we have Samsung glass stick panel, which is actually polycarbonate. There is 91% screen to body ratio. 6000 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charger is given. There are two variants of this phone, 6GB RAM with 128GB storage and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. The variant we are reviewing is the 6GB RAM with 128GB storage model. There are two colors available. One is this one, Mirage Blue, and the other one is Mirage Black. The thickness of the phone is 9.3 mm. There is a dual SIM tray and dedicated micro SD card slot, which supports micro SD cards up to 512GB. A Type-C to Type-C data charging cable is given. Sadly, a silicone case is not included in the box. Top and side bezels are very thin with small chin at the bottom. Samsung M31s is powered by One UI 2.1 OS based on Android 10. Dual VoLTE 4G is supported with Wi-Fi calling. A down-firing speaker is given. 3.5 mm jack is there. Exynos 9611 is the processor, which is combined with GPU Mali G72MP3. For security we have a side fingerprint scanner and face unlock. There is no LED notification light, but a always on display helps solve the purpose. The phone is 203 grams but does not feel heavy at all. Performance. Front camera and rear camera both support 4K video recording. EIS is given for video stabilization in the front and rear camera. You can switch between the front and rear camera while recording video. Here is a video sample of the same. I will now record a video from the rear camera while walking to check the video stabilization. Now I am recording a video from the front camera while walking to check the EIS. The EIS in the front camera is not impressive. Here are some sample photos. Gcam support is there. The front camera supports slow motion recording. AR doodle and emoji are also present. 64 megapixel IntelliCam feature tells you when to take 64 megapixel photos in landscape. One interesting feature of Samsung flagship level phone is given, where a single take can give you up to 7 photos and 3 video outputs, so that you can choose the best moments. There are 99 custom filters to choose from. You can fully charge the phone from 0 to 100% in 97 minutes. Reverse charging feature allows the phone to be used as a power bank. Dual VoLTE 4G is supported with Wi-Fi calling. The speaker gives decent audio, as you can listen in this sample. Okay friends, this is the audio sample from this phone. I have not attached any microphone or anything. This is the natural voice that is recorded in this phone. Dolby Atmos is supported through earphones. The phone can do some decent gaming. You can play PUBG at HDR with Ultra at max settings, but you can get better performance at lower settings. The side fingerprint scanner works flawlessly. The other security feature, Face Unlock, also works very well. Final words. Samsung Galaxy M31s is an excellent offering from Samsung and will highly appeal to all Samsung fans in India. With an excellent setup of cameras which has intelligent features, the camera enthusiast will love this phone. The only thing that should have been upgraded by Samsung in this phone is the processor, which could have been more powerful. The 6GB RAM with 128GB storage variant costs Rs 19,499 and the 8GB RAM with 128GB storage variant costs Rs 21,499. Having said all this, the phone is still highly recommended. I would like to state that this video is not sponsored by Samsung or any other company. If you are interested in buying this phone, I will leave a buy link for you in the video description and the pinned comment. Thank you for watching my video, and for more such useful videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.